So yes guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to get candies in blocks routes. So first, you have to go to an NPC, close your level. I'm 958, so I'll go to this. Look, it's green and it will be written L. So basically, if I kill it, wait, I'll kill it. If I kill it, I get this thing. Look, obtained candy 2. And if you're thinking where will I use candy, so you can go over here. Tell you where to use candy. Look, you see the where if you're in Greenland or that, you have to just go left, and if you see the house type of thing, you have to go there with the boat or whatever. If you want, you have to go with the boat or whatever, or use your flying this thing. I don't know what you call it, but yeah. Wait, I'll meet you when I'm over there. So yeah, whenever you enter, you can just go to the right, Santa Claus. So let's see limited items, little elf hat or whatever. You can get it, and you get. And I just went left from there and just came to this house where you can go in and go to Magic Elf. He's Magic Elf, so you can get 2x and all for 50. You can get it, you can buy it. I already told you how to get it. Now you can get it one more over here, Greedy Elf. So if you come over here, yo, got any candies for me? Maybe. Then you can just tell if you want 200 fragments for 50 candies, so you can buy it. So yeah, that was it for today's video. So till then, take care. No. Please like and subscribe. Until then, take care and bye bye.